it's Jazzy back with another video, and today, I just want to put something out there that I do have these stuff on my neck. I did go to a Halloween party with my friend last night, and I was a zombie cheerleader, and I had like cuts across my neck, but it's all smudged, and here I had all different stuff. As you can see, it's still on there. My eye makeup's come off, but like, because I use like lipstick to do all that. But just try not to look at that. I know it might be hard, but yeah. So this is my second video on my squishy vending machine, because I made it even better, because I was doing it last night and it took me like 1 hour to do this, like to do all of it to make it a lot better. Did I even post that video? I don't know. But as you've all seen, you've already seen this. But on this side, oh, my door's coming up. Where's my money in it? Yeah. On this side, it has changed. Well, all over it's changed. So if you if you get a rare squishy, you get to pull out one of these envelopes, and you get something in there, and I'll show you at the end. So this is the rare squishies that you have. That if you get a rare squishy, then you pull out an envelope. So this is what it looks like. It's got all the rare squishies around it, and there is one on here, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, and one there. So I will just read out the rare ones. The rare squishies: Corellacuma loaf, sorry. My fat crackling cat, my melon turtle, my steam bun with the bite mark, my Hello Kitty toast, and my evil cat. Oh, sorry. So, if you have a look at the instructions, you may pause to read. Okay, so we're going to do 3 goes. Oh, I'm not going to show you inside because I have to like break all inside. But it's pretty simple how to make it. And me and my dad helped me do it. So, you insert your coin in here. Maybe if I just put you on my tripod, it'll be a little easier. And I will sit back. Maybe if I sit on my sofa. Okay, so you insert your coin into the coin slot, and as you can see, there's nothing in there. So, and then you pull grey tab. Oh, as you can see, I did pull it. Okay, so I didn't get a rare one. I got this Anson bun. Okay, let's play again. Let's see if we can get a rare one. We'll play until we get a rare one, and then I will show you what is inside. So, put that in. Pull tab. Where's my prize? One did not come down. Okay, I kind of cheated. Alright guys, my battery's running low. Okay, I'm going to have to be quick because my battery's running low. But I kind of cheated them because I wanted. So I got this Hello Kitty donut that I made. It is super squishy. And I got a real squishy. I got my Hello Kitty toast. So we're just going to play one more time because I have one more pound left. Oh, sorry. And then we will see. I'm going to decorate the back. You can't see this magic bit. Well, it's not really magic, but if I can get it back in the slot. Yeah, won't go in. Oh, my squishies are falling down. Okay. Insert coin. And this does work without a coin. As you can see, there's nothing in there. So it's really like thingy-majig. I made it. Sorry. It's really hard to hear the crackling, but it does crackle. It's like really, really. You just heard it just like a few seconds ago, but sometimes it doesn't do it. So I got 2 rare ones. So let's pick out 2 things. Ooh, okay. So, and I'll be showing you how I made these. You can't really see my face. So, ooh, which one did I get? Okay, so you get a rubber, and they come apart, which is really fun to play with. My friend had to go, and she got a rare one. She got a Hello Kitty toast. So, really hard to put together. But I got a watermelon, which will not go together. Okay, let's try. Okay, I did it, and these are smelly. Smells just like watermelon. Okay, let's open the tiny little one. And by the way, I did make these. It's quite hard to open them. Okay. Well, I used permanent marker and it went through, but this one can come apart as well, and it is smelly. buy some. I got 2 of these. This one smells like popsicles, and this one this one smells of grape and banana popsicle, lollipop, and this one smells of watermelon. So, in another video, I'll be teaching you how to make these little things. So I'm going to make 2 on each side. So thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if you have ever made a vending machine, and if you want me to teach you guys how to make a squishy vending machine, and I will be very happy to teach you guys how to make a squishy vending machine. So all you need to do is put in the comments, Jasmine, will you teach me how to make a squishy vending machine? Or I could just make a vending machine for you guys, and you can put whatever you want in it. And if you want to do a collab, I might be doing a collab with somebody who commented on my video. So, one of my videos. So thanks for watching. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.